Alright, clear signal on the main line. I just walked down here and checked to see what's up. We got a stop signal coming south. This is going north out of Abbeville. South coming into Abbeville is red signal. Which makes sense since we got a clear signal going northbound. I can't read that one just yet. I'll walk up the track further and get it. It's hard to see, but it's red over red on the side, and so that's a stop signal for that one, y'all. Alright, when I get a train, I'll film. Alright, y'all, I heard a horn blow. He's out by Prismian. He's not quite close yet. He's still 2 or 3 miles out, but I'm just giving y'all the update. Oh, excuse me. I looked at the signals earlier. We got a clear signal on the main line, so that means he's going to be coming down the track closest to me. So let me pause it for a little bit. He's going to be a little bit getting here. I'll try to catch him coming around the corner. Alright, I heard him blowing the horn once at Red Street. So he'll be coming down the hill. Won't take him too long. He's got about a mile to go from Red Street to get to here. So he's got about half a mile to go before we see him. Back off in the woods to the left is where the roundhouse used to be. I did a video on it if y'all want to go back and watch that. I kind of enjoyed that. I got lost in the woods twice over there trying to find that thing. But I finally found it. It was a concrete roundhouse, but they didn't build it strong enough, so it didn't last that long. The roof on it was already caving in and stuff, so they knocked it down just because they know people go back there. They don't want anybody to get hurt. I hear him. He's not too loud, so it must be a small train or it's going very slow. I don't know which. I hear him coming. Doesn't sound like he's pulling, does sound like he's in dynamic brakes. Alright, he'll be coming around the corner pretty quick. Or pretty soon. Sometime today. Sound like he's getting closer and closer. There you go. Couple engines. Look like it might be a coal train. I don't know. I'm gonna get back out of the way here in a little bit. He's picking up speed. He cut back off on dynamics a little bit. Alright, let me walk back. Friendly crew. Please 303-4529. Let me step back further and film it. It's the SCWX coal train. heads down to Georgetown near the ocean. Y'all want to look it up on YouTube and see where it goes to. I got a buddy of mine over there. He makes comments on my videos, so you can read him and he'll talk about them. Yeah, I tried to take pictures the last 3 or 4 days, but I've been having camera problems, so I wasn't able to get anything. And what I did have is I probably did have one good train video, but I had a bunch of them that were all messed up. I wasn't getting good videos of them, and partial videos or whatever. I wasn't getting my phone to work. So I had to get a friend of mine help me clean my phone up a little bit. These are all nice, quiet cars here. I don't hear any noisy ones. This is a loaded coal train, y'all. It comes out of CSA, tell me it comes out of Tennessee, but they're giving it to the Norfolk Southern, and they run this train up to Pennsylvania to load it up. I got videos of it one time, and I put them up too. They're not much, but I was doing a train video in Count Falls, and since I got that video the day before, I just put them together. Got DPU on it, 3060, ES44AH. Bottom end coming up. Got red EOT, it's not flashing. They used to flash all the time, but that one's not flashing. I guess they got it where it's set only to go off at night. There it goes through the switch at the north end. On the green whip for a crew change, y'all. They're ready to get home and friendly crew. All right, thank y'all. God bless you. Have fun. Hello, everybody. I hear another one coming. I filmed the one that came to at 320, and now at 714 we got another one coming through. It's going to be a northbounder. It's coming from the Atlanta direction. I don't know exactly where it's from right now. My last one was a coal train. It'd be going to Georgetown after it. It's going to go to Greenwood and change crew. And then that crew will take it to Columbia, South Carolina. And they'll change crew there, and then when they get over there to Georgetown or someplace else, they change the crew. And then they go to Georgetown, and they say they change off a crew going into the power plant. I'm way down here at the end. I'll just sit here and wait for it. I'm not going up there and look at the signal because we'll have a red signal looking south for the southbound train, so that won't tell me anything about this train, so I'll stay down there. It sounds like he's just now getting to Red Street. So he's got a mile to go before he gets to the depot. And he's rolling downhill and stuff. That just doesn't look like a good place to walk up. Otherwise I'd run up there and catch him coming around the corner, but if you want to see him coming around the corner, you have to watch the earlier video I did. I got close up on the corner. Let me see if I can get a better view of it up here. Awful steep here, y'all. Alright, nothing behind me, I look. They'll be coming at me. There's the southbound signal, red over red over red. Alright, so he's probably coming around the corner at the far end. We just don't see him because he's behind the trees right now. But he'll be poking his head out in a little bit. He'll be on the main line. So he's going from main line to main line once he goes through the junction up there at the switch. That's Highway 72 down there if y'all look on the map. That's Highway 72 bridge if you're looking at on the map. Where the train goes over leaving town on the, it's heading east but, or southeast a little bit. But this is considered to be the north end. It's basically south is in that direction. So west is up there and this is just a little bit south of west. I wonder where he is. He ought to be coming here. He think he'd be rolling up and down here now, all that noise he's making going through. He must be going slow, y'all. I don't know. I see some lights down there. He's coming down the hill. He just took his time coming. I thought he was already up in the corner, but he wasn't. So he's coming out of the corner on the right. He made a left-hand turn coming at us. He's coming straight up to this turn. He'll make a right. No, he made a right-hand turn at the far corner. Now when he gets up here, make a left-hand turn. It's a right to me, but it's a left to him. Coming down the hill and then it'll slightly go up the hill and then they make it to the corner down there. And look, when he was blowing the horn at Red Street up there, he was going by the mile marker for Red Street. And it's 442, and this, no, it's 441. And this one at the depot up here, which this train hadn't gotten to yet, is 440. Milepost 440. So that means he would have been going a mile. Look how slow he's going doing that mile. I wish I had, could do some calculations real quick and figure out how fast or how slow. So he might be pulling in and going in the siding, and he's going to pull up, shut his lights off, and wait on another train. I don't know. I mean, he ain't stopped yet. He's still rolling. He's just going slow, you know. Let me zoom y'all in so you can see the show what I can see. Though you can't see quite what I'm looking at. I can see the headlight and 2 ditch lights. Y'all got a big circle. Sounds like it's in dynamic brakes. I don't hear any squealing brakes, but it got quiet then. So I don't know if he pulled it to a stop or what. If he did, I'm going to go up there and check on him. That sounds like he stopped. I don't see no lights change. I don't know whether he's on the main line or the side or what. And it's hard to tell if he's moving. I don't think he's moving, so I'm going to stop this right now. Alright. I'll pick it up later. Alright everybody, this is our southbound signal coming out of Greenwood. As they clear him up over there, it'll get clear all the way to here. But he's got red signals this way. And we got a train that just pulled up and stopped. So I'm going down to check, is he recrewing? Or is he just going to sit there and wait on this train to come that hasn't even got a signal yet? That's the mystery. Alright, thank y'all. Alright, this is northbound on the main. Red over red, stop signal, red over red. On the side and stop signal, and we got a weather report. It's raining. Thank y'all. Look, I walked underneath those trees. I didn't hardly get any rain on me. And now that I'm out from underneath the trees, the rain quit. Tell me God doesn't love me. Thank y'all. Bye-bye. Oh, wait around. I'm going to get some more info. Got a big juicy locomotive down here. Still got its lights on, so that means there's a crew on it. I'm not seeing the taxi over there anywhere. Alright, thank you. Alright, that's 2688. And they're sitting here waiting. I can't see the signal for the main line, but it was red a while ago. I assume they got a train coming out of Greenwood going to meet them over here. Now the last time I filmed this, train came in, sat here and waited for 2 hours waiting for the train out of Greenwood. So I hope it's not going to be that long, but that train didn't have a signal. But when I finally walked out and seen it, it stalled on the hill, and I finished up and made a video on it. It's, you know, probably about 5 or 6 videos back. I don't know. Y'all can watch it if you want to. Alright, let me see what we got. CW44AC paint job's been modified. It's been turned into the boxcar. That's the locomotive that would have had the original paint job on, if you can see it in the background back there. He doesn't have his handbrakes tied down, so he's not going to tie it down and catch a taxi. Radial trucks. I did a video on this one day. Talks about how those trucks curve around to go around the curve in the track instead of trying to go straight. And look, we got another coal train. This is the second coal train in a row. And that's locomotive number 45. We got a crew up there, but he doesn't want to come out. He wants to hide. Alright, thank y'all. Got a lightning storm going on out there. It hasn't started raining yet. The wind's changed direction. Alright, lightning struck over there. Let me see. It's been striking over here pretty bad too. That's northbound coal train. I'm sitting here waiting on it to get a clear signal. Of course, I think a train's coming out of Greenwood, so I'm waiting on that too. I can't see the signals, but they're down that way. Everything was red, even stuff coming out of Greenwood, so I don't know. I don't want to get out there because of the rain right now. Otherwise, I walk down there and check that signal out and wait. But if it gets darker, that street light's the only thing I got to film trains by when they do get to me. Alright, I'm at the north end of Abbeville. I'm out here at the switch. And if you see the switches are the line for the side, and any train coming up from behind me is going to go to the left onto the side, y'all. But